Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us, in continuation of your ethics, we will try to understand what is the importance of the business law. Again, I have categorized into different points to understand for you. The first one is regarding your legal agreements and the contracts. So you know that every business they need to operate only on the contract. Knowing the business law, it will be creating solid error-free agreements and join a company in a legal team, understanding whether this law is the key. So this is the base for the legal agreements on the contracts, and then understanding the business rules. So avoiding the legal troubles becomes very easier when you know the rules regarding your business. So with the business law degree, managing your own company legally is more feasible, and also if you want you can get the consultation from the advocates also related to your laws, and it also improves the decision making without relying heavily on the legal advice. Then taking control, the business has the empowers individuals and companies to navigate complex interactions confidently. So it ensures fairness in the contracts and as well as the intellectual property and employee relations, promoting the transparency and responsible business practices. The next point is regarding a fair compensation, that is it sets standards for fair pay, benefit, workplace rights, benefiting the both employers and the employees. So by resolving the disputes and upholding the ethical practices, business law fosters a just and thriving working environment. Then protecting the shareholders. So we have to take care of our stakeholders, particularly our shareholders. So safeguarding the shareholder rights by ensuring the transparency and accountability in corporate governance, and also it prevents abuse of power by management and promotes trust in the corporate world. Then business formation, it provides the legal foundation for creating and structuring companies, and by outlining the process for registration, ownership, compliance, business law supports entrepreneurs in establishing legally sound business. So what is the importance of business laws to know for your legal agreement and contract, understanding business rules and taking control over the business, then fair compensation, then protecting the shareholders and business formation. Then what are the functions of your business law is? The first one is regarding your corporate ethics and legal procedures. It encompasses, that is the business law encompasses of your rules on your corporate ethics, substantive and procedural legal matters, court system structures and related legislations. The next function is taxation structures. As you all know, we have to file the tax for the business we have done. So different business types are subject to specific taxation regulations outlined in the business registration. And then competitive regulation, antitrust laws and measures to regulate the competition levels are crucial aspects covered under the business law. This is not done by any other law, so we are really protected. Then workplace regulations, business law governs workplace safety standards, overtime policies and minimum wage laws to protect the employees' rights also. So when we see, we are able to understand that both the employees as well as the organization as well as the customers, all the stakeholders are really protected under the business law. Then environmental protection is given, company formation and operations has been done, such as when we the regulations using of the chemicals, controlling the pollution, addressing all the other environmental concerns is taken into consideration. And then business law gives an outline about the governing the sale of corporate entities. Then along with the rules regarding the rights, delegation, contract drafting, task assignment, breach of contract, etc. is also clearly given in it. And then next one function is related to the legal entities. Legal entities such as partnership, corporation, sole proprietorship and limited liability firms is covered under the business law. And then next one, real estate and business, it also clarifies laws related to all these two. Then technological interaction, impact of the technology, that is recent days we have our AI, the computer technology, on different business sectors. So to protect them from the technological advancement also, we have proper rules. Then securities and bankruptcy, it includes the laws governing to the securities governance and as well as the procedures related to this. So totally all the stakeholders is properly protected under the business law. So when we carefully understand what are the ins and outs of our business laws, and then when we start a business, we can run easily and we will be a very successful entrepreneur. Thank you for watching. Thank you.